Hey guys, welcome back. As many of you know, I have a deep and probably unhealthy relationship with bacon, but that's not gonna stop me from determining which is the best way to cook it. Today I'm gonna try 4 different methods and then taste test them blindfolded. We will be cooking them in the microwave, over stovetop in a frying pan, fire in the hole. This is something you don't want to do without a shirt on. Ow! Ooh. Oh, you gotta be fast with the arm. In and out, in and out. Here we go. Woo! Flip it. Nice. In the oven. And then, just for fun, I'm gonna throw a flame torch on there and just see what happens. Let's do it. Oh yeah, shrivel that fat a little bit. I need safety glasses. As you can see, I have a blindfold on and my lovely crew has arranged the bacon in such a way that I have no idea. So now that they're cooked, let's get to eating. Okay. I tried to cook them all to the same doneness, so hopefully that won't reveal anything. God, I love the fine balance of crispy and a little bit floppy. This is well cooked. Great chew. Love the crunch. I could eat bacon all day. This is lovely. Maybe my only qualm is that it's pretty unevenly cooked. It's got great flavor, lovely, very salty. I love it. I'm gonna say that's the oven. I feel like that is a good kind of well-rounded, a little unevenly cooked, but I say that's the oven. Next one, here. This one's cooked pretty similarly, maybe a little bit floppier. Oh, quite a bit floppier. Oh, this one has a sweetness to it. That doesn't make sense. This one's lovely. Oh, this is gonna be hard. I'm tasting like charcoal and burnt but only a little bit. Other than that, it's very sweet. I'm gonna guess that this is the flame torch one, the flamethrower. On to the next one. Ooh, this one feels like it's cooked very well. Oh, this one's weird. This one is very it feels cooked, but it's uncooked in your mouth. Oh, I don't like this one. What have we done to bacon that I don't like this? This has got to be the microwave for sure. And this last one here. Oh, this one feels very floppy. Oh, no, this is 100% the torch one. Oh, I just taste burnt. Tastes like, you know when you do a marshmallow and you burn it and you tell all your friends, yeah, I love it burnt, and then you eat it and you're like, oh, I forgot, like I don't actually like it that much. I just want golden brown. That's what this tastes like. Oh, inedible. Oh, that's awful. All right, number 1 is this one, the first one I tried, and I believe it is the oven. Number 2 is the second one I tried. I believe it is the stovetop in the frying pan. Number 3, I think, is the microwave, and that is actually my third like. This is perfectly in order of what I like. And number 4 is the flame torch thing, flamethrower. It is awful. It is the 4th one I like. How did I do?
Yeah, 1 out of 3.
What? You're full of shit. No, I got them all right, didn't I?
You've got...
Oh my God! I was so wrong! That breaks my heart. The oven one is not very good. You guys, I was so prejudiced against the microwave. And it's the second best one. Did I say I thought it had like charbroiled taste to it? Whoops. I'm forever cooking my bacon on a stovetop. And like, hey, if you don't have one, microwave's not that bad. Well, this has been a wonderful adventure, scientific even, dare I say. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.